Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Season and I am Key in an animoji like way. And based on this cool feature, I'm sure you know what I'm about to do. I am about to do an iPhone XS Max unboxing for you. I know there are updates to come based on where I've been. It's coming, but I had to do this for you guys. So if you want to see my unboxing, stay tuned. I'm excited. That's why I'm acting like this. Okay, so here it is. I'm excited. You should be excited because when I'm telling you, this has been a long time coming. If you know me personally, you would know that this change that's about to come in a few was needed. It was necessary. No exaggeration. It was serious. And it's here today, and I am so happy to share it with you, along with some updates that I have for you in another video. But today I am sharing something that was needed, long awaited, and will also help me to push this channel forward. I'll be doing an unboxing of my new iPhone XS Max. I ordered this yesterday and it's here today, and I am going to be unboxing it for you on camera. I have been looking at these videos over and over and over, and keep in mind it's the same thing in every box, but just the excitement of getting it, you keep watching them. So I told myself, let me just record this unboxing, and I need a new video on my channel. We got the scissors. These are some bomb scissors, y'all. It's the Scotch brand. I'm telling you, it's sharp and nice. I shouldn't even be playing with the scissors like this, but I'm about to start the unboxing. Let me show y'all the phone that I have. Let me show you the phone that I have right now. This is the iPhone 6 Plus. I got this 2 years ago. How was I functioning with a 16 gig iPhone? All right, so I got my scissors ready, and I'm just going to cut open the tape. Ooh, what? This is so cute. Oh, I guess it's because my carrier is T-Mobile, and I guess that's how they sport their boxes. I don't know, but oh my god. Okay, let me do that over. Oh my gosh. So the box is pink. I think that's really cute. And then, guys, look at this. Look how beautiful. This is the 256. I have upgraded. I didn't get the 64 because I'm like, nah, I'm going big or I'm not doing it at all. I got the 256. It was necessary, y'all. I'm telling you, it was necessary. So I'm gonna pull my plastic right now. Yes, this is an unboxing. And now we have no plastic. I have the 256. It ain't focusing, y'all. I'm just right there. It is. There it is. Got the 256. I am sliding up. If I look in the viewfinder, that's because I haven't done this in a long time. And yeah, so as you know, oh geez, as you know, it comes with the manual inside. I'm sure most of you that upgrade to the iPhone XS Max, you had prior iPhones, so usually it's the same. It says hello, and I'm like, hey y'all, I got this new phone. Who this? Okay, so it comes with the manual. Let me speed it up. It comes with the manual. It comes with some stickers. And oh, it comes with like this little piece here. I guess you can use it to push the slot, to push the hole for your SIM card, I believe. I don't know. I think that's what it's for. But yeah. So I didn't even order my cases yet. But now we have the phone. Y'all, to God be the glory. Hallelujah. I'm gonna be so hyped today setting this phone up. Y'all don't even understand. Thank you, Jesus. Why somebody gotta mess up my unboxing? So this is the phone. I got it in gold. But before I get to it, I'm gonna show you what's in the box. Like normal, we have the AirPods. No, it's not the AirPods. Pods like AirPods. It's the ones with the cord. Well, I must say that for the price of the phone, it should have been the real AirPods. I mean, come on. Come on. Over $1,200. Apple. Come on. And then we have the charger, the charging piece. And I believe, oh, in the back of the headphones, there's the cord here. So now I'll be powering on the phone for you guys to see. I got it in gold. I don't know if you can see, but it's really pretty. Uh-oh. I don't think you'll be able to see it. But so keep in mind that this gold is not like a gold chain gold. I don't know. I think that's kind of what I was expecting a little bit, but it's more of a bronzy gold. But besides that, it is a gorgeous color. It's gorgeous, honey. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. The phone is gold and there's plastic on it, which I'm not going to take off because I don't have a screen protector and I don't have a case yet. So I did order this phone yesterday. It came today. I did fast shipping. I'm just going to leave it on. So now I'm about to power on the phone. There we go. I really like the feel of it. Comparison. Wow. Look at this. Comparison. Let me show you from the back. It's about the same size. It is the same size. What am I saying? It's the same exact size. Some people say it's skinnier, but honestly, no, it's not. No, it's not. And it definitely popped up on this phone saying set up your new iPhone. Ooh, it's beautiful. Okay, so it says set up new iPhone. Use your Apple ID to set up your new iPhone. So I'll press continue. It says hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Wait. Swipe up to open. Oh, I have to do both at the same time. So it's like a 2 thing. So I have to scan it from this phone, which I have. And then it says setting up your phone. And then it says finish on new iPhone. So as for the size, I want to make this quick. As for the size, it is the same, but I personally was I was really waiting for a phone the size of the plus size phones. I was not trying to go back to no small phone. I was not doing it. I needed a big phone. So when they dropped this phone, I was like, oh, I'm getting it. Is it even a question? I need it. 16 gig to 256. I needed it. So They have data and privacy. I'm gonna continue. Face ID I'm about to set up. So okay, the Face ID. The focus is not all that because my camera is dying, but okay, first position your face to the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. So this is the screen, and then I'm gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna move my head in a complete circle. Move my head, move my head, move my head. If I follow the arrow, yeah. Move your head circle to complete this. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Okay. So I've completed first Face ID scan complete. Continue. Now I have to do it again. I don't know. If I could have recorded this, this would have been great. But I didn't even get to the home screen yet. So second Face ID scan complete. So my Face ID is now set up. Yay. Okay, continue. And then create a passcode. Hey, it's lit. It's lit. This size is perfect. I recommend if you do have a 6 Plus, 7 Plus, 8 Plus, get the Max. It's a bit more pricey. I paid a very large down payment because I have T-Mobile and whatever. But if you have the plus size phones, I'm telling you, it's comfortable. Don't get the small one because it's going to be too small for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up my phone as a new phone because I don't really want the phone from... I don't want nothing on this phone If that makes sense. I don't. I want 2019 coming up. Let's start it fresh. Let's start fresh. I'm up to Apple Pay, which I will set up later. Siri. I'll set that up later. I showed y'all the unboxing already, so all this stuff is not in an unboxing video, but you know, I'm setting up my phone as we go along. But you guys already saw my reaction. You saw the unboxing. You saw what was in the box, right? Yes, you did. So if anybody's in the comments talking about why she not talking, why she doing all this, yeah, because I did the unboxing already. Okay. See, without true tone. No, we need that true tone. Standard or zoomed? Standard, zoomed. I think standard is good. And then I always change the fonts on my my phone. Swipe up from the bottom edge at any time to go home. Okay, that's how you go home. Switch between recent apps. Okay. Quickly access controls. Man, I'm done. Now it says welcome to iPhone. The reason why I didn't really go through step by step with you is because it's generally how you go through any other phone, any other iPhone. So it's basics. You just reading the directions and you're following. There's nothing for me to really show you on that. But yeah, and my camera is dying. I don't want to lose any footage of me doing this whole thing. So yeah. So I have definitely set it up, and now I have to swipe up to get started, and that's my home screen. So my phone is definitely set up as a brand new phone. Oh my goodness. Yo, the way the phone looks, I don't know, it's the pixels, how... So unfortunately my camera died and the video had to be cut short very abruptly. But I was finished with the unboxing. You guys saw the phone. You all saw how I set it up. Even though there was no screen recording to it. But look out for more videos. Sorry that this has to be the way that I end it, but I think it's pretty cool. So look out for more videos, and bye guys.